Rahim, class 4th. Today we'll start our exercise 2E, and before starting the exercise, the thing that we have to do to know what is the highest common factor. Highest common factor is known as HCF. So look at these two sets. First number is 12 and the second is 18. What are the factors of 12? In which numbers the 12 becomes, which tables 12 become? 1, 2, 6 are 12, that becomes in 2. 3, 3 4s are 12, that also becomes in 2. 4, 12 also becomes in the table of 4. 12 is also in the table of 6, and 12 is also in the table of 12. And similarly, in how many tables 18 comes? In 1 and 2, 3, 6, 9 2s are 18, and then 18 1s are 18. Now come, how many factors are common between these two pairs? 1 is common, then 2 is common, 3 is common, and 6 is common. These numbers are common. Have you seen that these are the common numbers? These are the numbers in both sets, both factors. So these are known as common factors, but you can say the 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors. And if we want to find these are known as common factors. And how to find the highest common factor? To find the highest common factor, if there are the numbers 24, how to find the factors of 24? First, it is divisible by 1, then 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And what are the factors of 18? 18 comes into the table of 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So how many factors are same? 1 is same, 2 is also same, 3 is also same, and 6 is also same. And you can say these are the common factors, same, similar or common. So you can make the list of common factors of 24 and 18 as 1, 2, 3 and 6. So which is the highest common factor among these factors? The highest common factors of number 24 and 6 is, which is the highest? 6 is the highest common factors, or this is called HCF. Now see, if there are three numbers 16, 32 and 40, the first thing that you have to do, you have to make the factors of all these numbers like this, and then you have to take the same numbers. You have to highlight and you have to encircle the numbers, that which numbers are the similar. The common factors of 16, 32 and 40 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So what is the highest common factor? Which factor is highest? That is 8. Now you have to find the HCF of 12 and 21 using prime factorization method. How to find it? By using the prime factorization method. To find it, the HCF of 12, we have to write it as 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. What are the prime factors of 21? 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. What can you do? You can write the prime factors of number 12. What are the prime factors of number 12? They are 2 multiplied by 2 and 3. What are the prime factors of 21? 3 and 7. Now which factors are common from these? Only 3 is common, so that is the HCF. Another example is given over here. These are the three numbers and they are given, and we have to find the HCF by the method of prime factorization. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 13 1s are 13. Now come for the 78. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 13 1s are 13. Come for 130. 2 6s are 12, 1 will be written over here. 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, and 13 1s are 13. You have to write the factors of 52. They are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 13. What are the prime factors of 78? They are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13. What are the prime factors of 130? Now come for the prime factors of 130. They are 2, 5, and multiplied by 13. So what are the common factors between them? They are these 2 and this 13. They are the common factors. And what is the highest common factor? We will multiply. For prime factorization, we will multiply these two, as 13 2s are 26. What is the highest common factor of these numbers? That is 26. Now come. The common factor of 2 and 3 is. What is the common factor of 2 and 3 is? First you have to find the factors of 2. What are the factors of 2? That is 1 and 2. What are the factors of 3? That is 1 and 3. So what is the highest common factor? That is only 1. The common factors of 32 and 4 are 2. And what are the common factors of 32 and 4? First you have to make a list of the factors of 32. Then you have to make the list of the factors of 4. And then you have to tell what are the factors of common factors from them. 1 2 is given, which is the other factor that is common. The common factors of 8 and 16 are, you have to write the list of common factors over here. The HCF of 8 6 8 10 and 12 is, you have to find the highest common factor of these numbers over here. Dash is the highest common factor of 12 and 18. You have to find the highest common factor of 12 and 18, and you have to write it over here. And then similarly you have to tell the statements according to the given situation. You have to solve them. Then the greatest number which is divisible, write the factors of these pairs of the numbers and circle the common factors. You have to just write the factors of the number. What are the factors of these pair of number? What are the factors of 10? You have to write it as factors of 10, and then factors of 18. How to write the factors of 10? They are 1 2 5 and 10. What are the factors of 18? 18 comes into the table of 1 2 3 4. No, 4 is not. 5 6 9 and 18. These are the factors of 18. So what are the common factors? And circle the common factors. This is common. 1 is common, 2 is common, and just 1 and 2 are common. Only these are the common factors. Now see, 1 and 2 are the common factors from question number 4, part 1. For question number 5, find HCF of the following pairs of numbers. These are the pair of number 32 and 24. We have to find the highest common factor or HCF from the pair of numbers. First we will make the pairs, make the factors like this. Factors of 32, they are 1 2 4 8 16 and 32. What are the factors of 24? They are 1 2 3 4 6 8 and 12. So what are the common factors? These are the common factors. So what is the highest common factor from these numbers? Which is the highest common factor? That is 8. What is the highest common factor? 8 is the highest common factor. In question number 5, again there are 3 numbers are given. Find the common factors. You have to find the common factor from these numbers. And then you in question number 7, use the division method to find the prime factor of these numbers. How to find the prime factors of these numbers? You have to find the you have to do that using rule of divisibility. Use the division method to find the prime factors of these numbers. You just have to find the prime factors. How to find the prime factors? How we will find the prime factors using division method, that is to write it as 230, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 23 is a prime number, it will be divided by its own table only. So what are the prime factors? What are the prime factors of 230? They are 2, 5 and 23. These are the prime factors of 230. Using the division method, find the HCF of the following numbers. Using the division method, you have to find, in question number 8, you have to find the HCF of the given numbers. Using, we are finding the prime factors of these 12 and 20. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 ones are 3. 2 10s are 20. 4 was the HCF. As you know that in question number 8 we made the factors of 12 and we made the factors of 20. Then we have written over here the factors of 12 and then the factors of 20. 2 was common and this 2 was common. So what was the highest common factor? We multiplied these two common, as 2 2s are 4. Now come for the question number 9. You have to circle the pairs that are co-prime numbers. What are the co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are the numbers that have 1 as common factor. 1 as common factor. No one common factor is common between them. Only 1 is common. So what are those numbers? So you have to find the pairs from which pairs only 1 is common. After doing that, you are able to solve the word problem also. But your today's task is to complete your exercise 2E.